Hi YouTube, it's the 5th of the 12th, 2011, and this latest alert from the RSE sounds a bit like a horror story, and I don't like anything that has mosquitoes in the title. This alert is for the state of New York, New York City. Residents of a New York neighborhood said their homes are being swarmed by mosquitoes that have not been deterred by the December weather. Assemblywoman Linda Rosenthal said residents of West 84th Street on the Upper West Side said the mosquito problem is in the area and is akin to something from the third world. But residents have received no help from the city, the New York Post reported on Monday. People on West 84th have been contacting city agencies and other officials complaining about the enormous number of mosquitoes, but they haven't listened. They tell them to hire a private exterminator, Rosenthal said. I've heard people are sleeping under mosquito netting because their children are being bitten up. Rosenthal said she was able to convince the city to lay traps in the sewers, and Con Ed workers paved over sinkholes, allowing the insects to escape from underground. But the problem persists. I think that's pretty horrifying. Mosquitoes can carry a great many diseases. Thanks, YouTube.